If you're planning to move and you own a canoe or kayak, you'll want to make sure it gets to your new place safely. These are large, lightweight items that can catch wind easily, so the key is securing them correctly. The easiest way to transport a canoe or kayak is with a roof rack on your vehicle. If you already have one, great. If not, you can buy a rack system or temporary foam blocks that attach to your roof. Just make sure everything fits securely before loading your boat. Next, secure both the front and back of the canoe or kayak to your vehicle. Attaching bow and stern lines helps keep it stable, so it doesn't shift when you hit bumps or strong winds. If you're moving long distance, stop every so often during the drive to check your straps. Wind and vibration can slowly loosen them over time, so it's good to make adjustments along the way. If you don't want to transport it yourself, there are movers who specialize in outdoor and recreational equipment. They can handle loading, protecting, and safely transporting it for you. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit MoversCom, and you can also email us at contactus@movers.com or call 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.